Hello and welcome to the Hero Arts Introduction and Inspiration video for the My Monthly Hero Kit, December 2022. Come on a celestial adventure with us, starting with this 6x8 stamp set, coordinating dies, celestial background, and also some pitch black cardstock and rose gold metallic ink pad. Here is a closer look at the stamp set included in the kit. We have some fun space characters and scene building images. I have a couple here that I stamped and colored out just to show you how amazing these images are to create with. The sentiments range anywhere from happy birthday to encouragement or just to say hello. And then as always, we have the coordinating dies for the images. We also have this amazing background stamp, which you are going to see in action quite a few times with the creative team. Now, your cards can range anywhere from maybe a clean and simple outer space background to really digging out some fun inking techniques to use with that background stamp. We are also celebrating this release with a blog hop filled with more inspiration from the creative team members and special guests. You can find this inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, which means once they sell out, they are gone. But become a subscriber today and you won't miss out on future kits. If you share your projects on social media, we would love it if you tag us at #HeroArts so we can see your amazing creations. Thank you so much for joining us today.